Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday, 3rd of March 2018, and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 2nd of March. Gold fell $7 last week from $1,329 to $1,322, having hit a high of $1,340 and a low of $1,303. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £958. That's up £8. And in euros, it closed at €1,073. That's down €7 on the week. Silver fell 3 cents, from $16.54 to $16.51, having hit a high of $16.77 and a low of $16.19. In sterling terms, it closed at £11.96. That's up 12 pence. And in euros, it closed at 13.40 euros. That's down 0.04 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell from 80.35 to 1 to 80.07 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 24,538, down 70 points on the day and down 771 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 7,257, up 77 points on the day, but down 80 points on the week. Brent crude fell $2.94 from $67.31 to $64.37, and US light crude fell $2.30 from $63.55 to $61.25. The dollar index stands at 89.93. That's up 0.05 on the week. Gold markets last week were heading towards the 1300 level as we forecast. But the announcement by President Trump about levying import taxes on steel and aluminum, or aluminium as we say in the UK, meant that stock markets went into reverse and gold and silver prices recovered their losses. The dollar has managed to remain firm, especially with the new Fed chair implying that up to 4 interest rate rises this year were on track. Nevertheless, the apparent confusion caused by President Trump's economic policy and the departures from his office, together with Mueller getting ever closer, will ensure that markets uncertainty will be with us for some time, which is serving to hold up gold prices against what we believe should be a short-term downtrend. Unless these tax levies are reversed or not implemented, we could very well see retaliation, and if this occurs, then gold and silver prices will rise in the coming weeks. This week will be quite indicative of where President Trump intends to lead economic policy: protectionist or free market. Silver has again more or less followed gold, and both metals are moving in relatively close union, especially bearing in mind the very small changes in the gold-to-silver ratio over the past 3 or 4 weeks. A trade war could actually be harmful to silver on the industrial side short term, but positive on the investment side as a hedge. Notwithstanding this, we still maintain that there is huge resistance at the $18 level, and we're still some way off that at the moment. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/Illuminati Silver. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.